Okay, this is a big deal if you are still holding Shiba Inu, and equally, if you're excited about Shibarium, you definitely need to see what I'm about to talk about in this video. Shibarium burn rates and how it's going to deflate Shiba Inu and maybe even push the price on its journey up to the all sacred $1. What am I talking about? What is going on? Well, if we take a look over here, there is basically articles everywhere right now talking about Shiba Inu's burn rate, in particular the Shibarium burn rate that we are going to get. Now, there's a number of facets that go into Shibarium that ultimately are going to deflate Shiba Inu, along with deflating the bone token, the native gas token. It says Shiba Inu's burn rate has demonstrated a distinct pattern that may prove beneficial for traders and investors seeking to capitalize on local spikes in network activity. So right now, this is the Shibarium testnet, but ultimately this is the community burn consensus. So very much like Terra Luna Classic, this is about the community trying to drive it. We'll talk a little bit about the exact burn rate that Shibarium is going to offer, but right now there is an opportunity if you are a trader, and likewise if you are following what is going on, where we see a genuine spike up in the burn rate for Shiba Inu, specifically at certain points through the week. It says a close examination of the historic chart for the burn rate reveals that it has consistently risen towards the end of a trading week while remaining relatively stagnant on weekends. The underlying reason for this behavior is likely to reduce market trend towards the end of the week. And the same can be said for trading volume and everything. But at the same time, what we do know, therefore, is people are transacting, trading, and ultimately burning Shiba Inu. So when Shibarium comes and they migrate potentially over to that, it's going to be incredibly bullish, incredibly poignant for Shiba Inu holders. It says the burn rate, a measure of number of tokens removed from circulation, is an essential metric for understanding the supply and demand dynamics of a cryptocurrency. In the case of Shiba Inu's burn rate, directly impacts the total supply of the tokens, thus affecting the asset's price, and that is ultimately what is incredibly important. Again, we'll look quickly at the price. You can see here on the daily chart, we are just starting to trend back to the upside. We could see, looking at the parabolic SAR, we could see this move up. We got another good day in the green. The 9-day EMA could start to move upwards, and we could see a bullish trend for SHIB. Absolutely sat awaiting the Shibarium news and fundamental sign off that we are up and running. MACD is doing about the same as we saw this kind of come down over the last couple of days. Bone very similar, just 0.18% at $1.12. And again, I was talking about this on my live stream about 3 weeks ago when Bone was going insane. Everyone was going, Dubit, you need to get in the Bone train. And I knew it would come back down. I said it would come back down. I actually had some lines drawn on their support, and we broke those supports and went down at $1.12. Could be a really interesting buy right now. But if you, again, look at SHIB burn rate, and that's why we're here to talk about this, you can see it's everywhere right now. 50% from Koyo token that are burning SHIB. We can see the community burning SHIB, but everybody wants to know exactly what's going on with the Shibarium. Why is it so eagerly anticipated? Well, we got the official token news and, if you like, the manual for Shibarium. Shibarium network to burn Shiba Inu, which we all said, with a 70% of transaction fees. Now, this is really important. So remember what we just talked about, that ultimately the removal of tokens, the burning of tokens will ultimately support the price increase at the same time as removing tokens from supply. It says the Shiba Inu team has finally released the highly anticipated Shibarium documents, shedding light on the inner workings of their layer 2 solution and its impact on the Shiba Inu ecosystem. This document reveals that Shibarium will be crucial in burning SHIB tokens and driving their value over time. One of the most exciting revelations in the documents is that cost per transaction on Shibarium will be 10,000 times cheaper than Ethereum. Remember, Shiba Inu's Shibarium is the layer 2 protocol to the Ethereum network. But it says the network's fee structure is split into base and priority fees, with the priority fee going to the validators. The base fee is automatically used to buy back and burn SHIB tokens. Let me tell you that once more time. The transaction fees under the priority fee goes to the validators, and the base fee is automatically used to buy back and burn SHIB tokens. That's right. So every single transaction that is going to happen on Shibarium will have a buyback and burn on Shiba Inu. Absolutely insane to think about it if you are holding SHIB. And this is why people are so excited about Shiba Inu, why people are so keen to get this out, and ultimately why there is about mass adoption onto the Shibarium network. Now, the big question, the caveat, the balance, if you will, is how do you move volume to their layer 2. We are seeing loads of layer 2s coming out. Why are people going to use Shibarium versus anything else? And that one is definitely going to be one that the developers are going to be scratching their heads about. How can we get, now bear in mind, Shiba Inu's 1.1, maybe even a bit more million holders. How do we get them? What's the purpose of transaction on it? Hopefully Shiba Eternity might move over there. We know the Shiboshis as well as the metaverse could all form part of the Shibarium network. And again, remember those base transactions going through. It says the remaining 30% will be utilized for network maintenance and operational costs, ensuring that the network runs smoothly. It's important to note that there is a fee structure may change on the network progress and evolves. So pretty big news. I think 70% of the fees will be used to buy back and burn Shiba Inu. We could see a very big spike up in the price. It could absolutely be very bullish in the long term for Shiba Inu. But let me know down below in the comments, what do you think? And ultimately, why are you going to use the Shibarium network? And as ever, thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this content, subscribe to the channel for more content like this one. Leave a like and a comment down below. And as ever, I thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.